we gonna get us a brush fire train. Well, it's a little bit more than a brush fire. I've heard from a fireman that I'm not gonna name that it is a brush fire along with car fire, power pole fires, wires on fire, power wires on fire, and a possible gas line that might be burning. I don't know. But the railroad gates are down. So I'm just waiting to see if there's a train coming. Now I did see oh, they got the bucket. Oh, they got the helicopter with the bucket. Oh, where is it? There you go. Come on, drop that water. Drop that water. Come on, drop that water, baby. Drop it. He's too far away. He's too far. No. He's too far away. What you gonna do, man? Okay, he's circling. I'm following him. I wonder what he's gonna do. If he comes back around, I'll catch him. I thought he was about to drop it right at that moment, but he's circling. Okay, he come back around. Come on, man. He's behind the trees now. I can't see him. Damn. Ooh, that would have been cool if I caught that helicopter dropping that water on that fire. But there's a South Shore train coming. Holy shit. South Shore is running, baby. Yeah. Now that's a great sight to see. Double track project complete.